Now, week after week on This World, we have been bringing you up to date with the latest developments on AI or artificial intelligence. Now, this week, AI moved the stock markets for reasons both good and bad. On the bad side, there was a fake AI image of an explosion at the Pentagon that took the world by storm, and it actually crashed the stock markets until people realized it was a fake, and then the stock markets came back up. And on the positive side, there was one of the biggest single-day rises in any company's market cap ever in history. NVIDIA, their stock price shot up by some 25%, and their market cap rose by $200 billion, all in a single day. Why? Because NVIDIA said that AI is really transforming our business, and our revenue is going to grow up far more than we had ever thought it would do. So, AI making an impact on the stock markets as well. Our next story brings you some more details.
This week, the world witnessed the good and the bad that AI has to offer. One fake AI image went viral on the internet. The image showed an explosion near the Pentagon. The image was tweeted from a verified Twitter account. News outlets broke the news. Stock markets started plummeting. People across the globe feared an attack. Soon, experts highlighted that the image had an involvement of AI-generated content, and that this image was a part of what is known as deepfakes. Now, just as we wrapped our heads around what happened with these fake images, another news from the world of AI flashed. And what did it say? NVIDIA is close to becoming first trillion-dollar chip firm. What is NVIDIA? It is an American multinational technology company, and it specializes in artificial intelligence computing. And this company just witnessed a $200 billion jump in its market cap. These are jaw-dropping numbers, and with this spike in numbers, NVIDIA is on its way to become the first chipmaker to be valued at more than $1 trillion, all because of the booming demand for its artificial intelligence processors. It has just created history in the world of stock market. You see, that's the impact of AI. It is quick, but it has good potential to change our future. It has pros, but also cons.
And for more on that, let's now get in Dr. Marcelo Yenca, who's the Professor of Ethics of Artificial Intelligence and Neuroscience at the Technology University at München. Thank you so much, Dr. Yenca, for joining us. Been a fascinating week for AI. We saw that big jump in the NVIDIA stock, which sort of shows you what the power of AI. But the fact that a fake image of an explosion can send the stock market crashing underlines the risks that we're going to be facing. How are we going to deal with being able to tell what's real and what's fake?
Well, thanks for having me. Yes, indeed. AI is here to challenge our understanding of reality. And I think it's time that we no longer think that reality is what we think it is, because this image that briefly circulated on Twitter also influenced investor behavior. And the challenge for us as a society is, first of all, how can we develop tools to detect AI fakes more promptly? Second, what responsibilities social media platforms need to take for fake content that is spread through their platforms.
I would have said that the answer to that may well lie a lot in making sure that it's coming from reputable or sources, so media houses, people who know what they are doing. That's what you should start to trust. It doesn't help that Twitter has changed the entire policy on takes, because this seemed to have come from a blue-ticked account, so people, I guess, got confused. Big media houses picked it up as well, of course, this fake news.
Well, yes, but the blue mark on Twitter is now something that you can purchase for little money. Yeah. So it's no longer quite valid sign of authentication and quality and veracity of the information. But taking Twitter aside, this could have happened on any other platform. So you can pretend to be a reliable source and spread fake information. And therefore, I think we certainly need to develop better accountability tools for these platforms, better even AI-based tools to detect AI-based or AI-generated content. But ultimately, we need to foster digital literacy and critical thinking in the population. Because as Voltaire famously said, those who make you believe in absurdities can make you commit injustices.
Wow, that's a fantastic line to end this show on. Dr. Iyengar, thank you so much for joining us. I suspect this is a theme we'll be talking to you about at great length in the days and months ahead. Digital literacy, I guess, is going to take time to come, but let's hope it comes at some point. Thank you so much, Dr. Iyengar, for joining us. It was a pleasure speaking to you.
Thank you very much. The pleasure was mine.
Thank you so much. Well, I guess all we can say is that till that digital literacy comes, do pay attention to everything that you're seeing and trust the source. Watch the right people, watch the right sources. Make sure that what you're watching is correct and not fake. What you're reacting to is correct, not fake.